Human Rights and Anti-Discrimination Commission, like I said, that right from subsection 2 all the way down to subsection 3 is directly from the guide draft. The Commission is responsible for promoting protection, observance and respect for human rights in public and private institutions and to develop a culture of human rights in Fiji. Education about the rights and freedoms contained in this chapter. Monitoring, investigating and reporting on the observance of human rights. Making recommendations to government concerning the matters affecting the rights and freedoms in this chapter. Receiving and investigating complaints about alleged abuses of human rights and take steps to secure appropriate redress if human rights have been violated, including making applications to the court for redress. Investigating or research on its own initiative or on the basis of a complaint any matter in respect of human rights and making recommendations. Monitoring compliance by the state with obligations. Performing any other function, exercising any powers. And any person has the right to complain to the Commission alleging that a right or freedom in this chapter has been denied, violated or infringed or is threatened. So in other words, you can say, my rights may be threatened. And they have the right to be able to investigate this. So it's very, very wide-ranging. A lot of powers have been given to the Human Rights and Anti-Discrimination Commission. The Human Rights Commission Decree 2009 obviously continues, but it does not mean when the new Parliament comes in, they can set up new laws, get rid of the decree and even make it even larger. But the fundamental principles of the Human Rights Commission and Anti-Discrimination Commission must continue as has been set out, and that cannot be violated.